Just getting this going is a pain. Anyway, so if you're gonna microwave an egg, it doesn't really matter what kind of bowl you use. You could use this one or this little thing. Myself, I'm just going to use the small one because it works well with biscuits and stuff like that. Hello. So you made it back, huh? So anyway, the first thing you got to do is you got to lubricate the bottom of this thing here so the egg don't stick right to it when it cooks in the microwave, because it will do that. Come here, Brenda. Just you got your fingers in the way over here.
Okay, I got it.
Well, a little bit of margarine inside the bowl. Lubricate the inside of it. Anyway.
Well, you know the big man types and they hang around with the mommies? Mommies. I get it.
I gotta get it off my fingers. Or you could use a little bit of spray. Doesn't really matter. Then there's the egg, of course. There's your fork. So you're going to add a little milk to this. It helps it cook better. And it tastes better too. The milk makes it fluffy. Because the microwave is not at all a stove. Completely does different things to the food. Like if you put bread in the microwave too long, more than 30 seconds, it'll start getting hard and rubbery. You can't eat it. Literally, can't not eat it. So remember that. You're gonna make melt cheese, do it in a little conventional oven, like a toaster oven. Don't stick it in the microwave expecting to melt cheese onto bread. But right now it's about this egg. You can microwave potatoes in the microwave. It works pretty good. But eggs, well, they're different. Okay. So let's say I want to add a little, I like garlic salt. Other people like different things, salt, pepper, whatever you like to flavor with, maybe a little pepper. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to put it in a little microwave.
Put the thing on it.
Which is a 700 watt microwave. That's a 1200 watt microwave. So put this on there, keep it close with it. If the egg starts to splatter while it's cooking, which it will, it just hits the bottom and falls back into the container instead of all over the inside of your microwave, and you got this big mess to clean up. And whatever you do, make sure you bust that egg up like I did. Whip it, break it up before you try to cook it, because otherwise that yolk is going to boom. When it does, it goes off like a little grenade, it goes all over the inside of your microwave. You can blow that little plate off of there. Anyway, 60 seconds, a minute. Uno momento. to start out with for 1 egg or 2 eggs. Each time after the first minute, run it about 30 seconds. A half a minute, just 30 seconds. Like when I flip this egg over, which I'm going to do, because it'll cook good on top and on the sides, and the bottom will be kind of slimy. So to get rid of that sliminess, you can either flip it over with a fork or a spoon, or you just, like I do, just flip it. Anyway, that way you cook it on the bottom and get rid of that sliminess. The egg's cooked, that's all. Then you cut it up and put it with other stuff. Or eat it with other stuff. I guess you could put things like little slices of bell pepper, little slices of ham or whatever in that when you start cooking it. See, nothing on the bottom, but it is wet with a splatter. And there's the egg. So, do it the safe way. Just going to take it, flip it over. See, this side actually cooked pretty good, but still a little slimy, so I'll stick it back in here. This time I don't even really need to cover it because it's not going to splatter because it's solid now. But I'll stick that in there anyway. 30 seconds. I could have went for 20 seconds, but it's alright. And this is what I do with all my eggshells. Old mayonnaise jar, washed out. Wash out the eggshells and I stick them in there. That way they're not stinking nothing up. You can put this on plants. Calcium. All calcium. Anyway, that thing's hot, by the way. That plate is hot. And there you have it. One very well cooked egg.
Okay.
Like you get at McDonald's or something.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
All right, there. You can do this.
Thank you, Brenda,
You're
for
welcome.
your help. All done. Wow.